everybody. It's a week in review.
Today we learned about nice words. And the nice words make us happy so much because it's really nice to be happy because it makes us have friendly spaces.
We're in teaching as a profession and we're putting bulletin boards up around the school with like motivational quotes and stuff because we're learning about how the environment affects your learning.
I'm glad that we have a new coach named Coach Friesen, and I'm really glad that he's here and he is really nice.
We are getting ready for a big game with a pep rally and a parade.
We did gymnastic rotations, and my favorite one was where you jump on the mat and jump off the mat. And it's really fun. It helps you balance when you're really high up.
Today in 7th grade ELA, we are presenting our summer reading tree projects.
Today in 4th grade in science, we're working on building terrariums, and we're making all sorts of levels, and we're putting in rocks and soil.
Today at Crockett in 5th grade, we played a number game that you have to use a strategy to save yourself and get other people out.
Today we are having a glow party because we filled up Mr. Potato Head with all our compliments. We voted on a Glow Day reward. It is so fun.
Hi, I'm Olivia in Mill Creek, and we were playing tug of war in 8th grade science to show Newton's laws of motion. Mr. T's class won 5-0.
This is my choir class, the one that I have here at Page. We do quite a bit of performance and quite a bit of learning songs to perform, but a lot of what we do is build musicianship and try to learn how to read music and actually be able to look at a piece of sheet music and figure out what's on the page.
I am in kindergarten, and today we are learning how to check out books.
Today at Walnut Grove, we are getting our speeches so that we can get elected for mayor at Bishtown. In a few weeks, we will go there.
We're in random acts of kindness,
and we're putting positive sticky notes on random people's lockers.
At Trinity in 1st grade, we learned the addition song. Addition is adding plus adding equals sum, and a part plus a part equals a whole, and the movements are really fun. Part plus part.
We did chalk, we did the number lines, and someone would write the line, and then the other person would write like the numbers under it, and then it helped us like figure out the numbers.
This week at Spring Station, we played soccer and PE. We learned new rules of how to play soccer, and we had a lot of fun.
I'm at Nolensville High School, and I'm in biology, and today we are using known indicators to test organic compounds.
Today at guidance, we did student council elections. 7 people ran. Only 2 people will get to be student council.
Today we're in the auditorium for our very first PBIS Rewards rally.
Today in 1st grade, Mr. Bond came, and we learned about the sun and the moon and gravity.
Where you're playing money ball, there's 2 sides of the court. One side has 2 sides of the bin. There's 8 safety hoops in total. You have to go to the safety hoop, shoot a ball. You make the front one, it is 5 points. Back one is 10.
So what the enzyme does is it breaks down the substrate, which is hydrogen peroxide, into water and oxygen. And so we're going to be measuring like the rate at which the enzyme is breaking down.
Today in computer, we practice our login.
Our STEM Lab challenge of the week was we had kids do paper chains. They were given 2 pieces of construction paper, a pair of scissors, and some masking tape, and these rock stars did wonderfully.
That's it! The day we ran chicken poo and we made the tree.
We're here in the diagnostic medicine room, and we are testing bacteria to find out whether they are pathogenic, which means disease-causing, or non-pathogenic.
Today in Ms. Robinson's class, we did a lab on density. We found the density, mass, and weight of a bunch of objects using a balance. This week in science, we were learning about adaptations.
We chose an animal and the adaptation entered their habitat.
We needed the animal and adaptations to help us to survive.
This is a level 3 class, so my architecture students are working on bathroom layouts and kitchen designs, and the inventor students are completing simple parts and moving on to some more complex part drawings.
Hi, we're Lips Club today. We were working on our math journals, making 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. At Mill Creek Elementary, every student in art class painted a rock. The rock represents kindness. All the rocks will create a rock garden that students will walk by every day.
This is Honors to English. We are currently doing a Socratic seminar where we all sit around in a circle and we have questions that we're supposed to discuss.
We did a roller coaster project at Thompson Station Middle School. Awesome! We're 4th graders at Williamson Elementary, and in science this week we're learning about ecosystems and we're building our own terrarium.
So today 5th grade is being interviewed by middle schoolers for BizTown.
Right now in theater we are doing pantomime and we're doing it to a song, so we had to create a story based on a song.
For PBIS, we were coding with Autobots.
Today at Longview in 4th grade, we are learning about the colonists and taxes from King George III. Today in art class, we are learning about the artistic element 4. We are creating a 3D cityscape.
Hi, we're the media crew at Fairview Middle. This week we're working on a video about why teens matters. Tyler?
Members of National Art Honor Society made buttons from their art, and we're selling them to raise funds for Art at Centennial.
Hi, I'm in 2nd grade, and we're using these base 10 blocks to learn how to be counting by tens. We're making a paper roller coaster and signs. And basically, it's a really fun project because we're literally putting a bunch of your fun ideas, and it's supposed to be exotic.
It was a great week. Thanks for watching.